Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the Xiaomi 15. Okay, so once you have downloaded the WhatsApp from your Play Store and typed your phone number and verified, you'll simply have something like this when you have a backup made on your Google account that you're currently logged in. So if you don't know how to create a WhatsApp backup, we have a video on our channel, so if you want, you can find it. As you can see, I made up my backup 2 minutes ago. You can also see the size. And now simply click on restore. It's gonna take a few seconds because the size of the backup is not that big, so it's gonna take not much time. As you can see, 9 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. So now simply click on restore. In here, in the profile info, you can type your name. Simply click on next. And now, as you can see, the messages and also the photo wasn't backup. I don't know why. Because the restoring media paused. Because I have low battery, so that's why the photo can't load for now. But basically, that's how you restore a backup. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.